Today Brandon is working in the office, so I am going to be doing a lot of stuff around the house. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. I'm still in my pajamas. I'm all nice and cozy. I just made my coffee in my cute little mug. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you all around with me today. So yay! I am about to address and label our Christmas cards. And then I'm going to go ship them off today. These are what they look like. I already showed y'all in another vlog. And then that's the back. This is our address book. I think it's so cute. It's really vintage and just so fun. And I actually got this in college when I would collect people's addresses from home so I could send them letters, and I just thought it was so much fun. I ordered it on Amazon. I have no idea if it's still on there, but I've always been really into retro vintage type stuff, and I really loved this one. And the book also has these cute pictures inside of it. It's just so fun when you flip on a page and it has a random cute picture. I love it. And then we also got this stamp from our wedding, and it's so easy because you can literally just stamp it and it's your address. This part honestly isn't that fun, but it doesn't take that long. I'm all ready to go.
I find myself wandering downtown, window shopping, listening to the sound from some street choir caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the Christmas.
I pretty much have all the cards done. Now I just need to go get some stamps and then drop them off at the post office. Brandon and I have some errands to run once he gets home, so I'm probably just gonna wait till he gets back. But yeah, they look so pretty and I'm so excited. Something that I really need to do is laundry. I really need to put it away. It's all washed, I just need to put it away. So that's what I'm gonna take some time to do. And yeah, I do not look forward to this part, but it's part of life, so yeah. Let me know what your least favorite house chore is. I would have to say mine is probably laundry. The washing and drying part isn't that bad. It's just putting it all away. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not fun.
Christmas spirit again. That Christmas spirit.
All right, I have everything folded and put away. Yeah, that's a relief. I'm now going to make lasagna. I'm so excited. So for this lasagna, I'm using this Capello's grain-free lasagna sheets. I've used it before. It's really good. It tastes normal, and I'm using it because I eat grain-free. Brandon doesn't, but he's fine with whatever. I'm making it half dairy-free, half not, because I don't eat dairy. So just half of the lasagna will be dairy-free, half of it won't. So I'm using this Kite Hill ricotta, and then I'm just using like regular ricotta for Brandon, regular mozzarella. And then we have a pound of ground beef and a pound of sweet Italian sausage. So there's a lot of meat that goes into it, but it's gonna be so good. We have marinara sauce, the Rouse marinara sauce, and then Brandon already got into this to make some sandwiches. He made like an Italian sandwich, but so then we got some of this brand. I'm just gonna combine it. We have all of the seasonings over here: basil, parsley, pepper, garlic, onion, etc. All of those. I'm not gonna name all of them, but it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna get into it because I'm excited.
Degrees and sunny, just the way I always wanted. 더바랄 것도 없어. 지금 이대로면 좋아. 따스한 햇볕이 가득 담은 sand river. The bluebirds peaceful sing along. That I love 반짝이는 저기 Eiffel Tower shines from anywhere 아름다워 When I'm not with you all these shiny seas don't mean a thing 눈동자 비친 Avenue des Champs-Élysées 그대와
The lasagna is done. I broiled it for 1 minute and then it's kind of crispy, but it's fine. But I literally set a timer and it was like, it scared me so bad. But yeah. We're now on a walk with the dogs. We're at a local park and we brought Lola's stroller because she gets tired quickly, but she's doing really well so far.
She is.
And the weather, yeah, the leaves are really pretty and the weather's perfect.
Yeah.
And it's such a nice day.
Perfect walking weather.
Yeah. Okay, now we are going to get stamps for the Christmas cards. That's it for today's Vlogmas episode. I hope y'all had fun spending the day with me, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye!